All right, we're in the outskirts here of right in Elk River, Minnesota. Kind of an old farm. The house is still here. The farm, probably waiting to sell it. Probably someone died, but it's kind of a cool stuff. Old buildings here, outcroppings. I've came by this place many times. So yeah, it's a big ass farm out here. So it's probably been abandoned, waiting for the family to pass away and they can sell the land. But probably wait till they'll sell it, and then they'll kind of tell a nice house over there. So it's a nice little farm. I mean, perfect. All kinds of. A lot of these farms are like when you get down south. It's the 10th day of March, 2024. A lot of land out here. I don't know how much they own. They'll probably, when the person dies, then they'll probably sell it all, put a bunch of houses in here. I don't think the house is open, but you can still get the idea of a old farmhouse. No rhyme or reason some of this stuff is in here. You get out in Iowa with a lot of them. We got some shovels here, some pitchforks. I don't feel like walking up there. Don't know about those stairs. Got some old tires in here. Didn't realize we went back this far, but you can kind of tell. Overlooks the back 40. A lot of history in these farms. One Indian party for some kid. This little outhouse here, probably a cow place, who knows. Yeah, the old days, if you want to start your own business, this is what you did for a living. Open a farm, raised your family, raised cattle, grew some hay. Elk River's that way. It's like the last farm out here, I think. Kind of tell this way. You can kind of tell how it goes. If you're a kid, look out in here all the time. All kinds of trash. When they come out here and they finally tear this place apart, they're going to have to take all this stuff and go to the steel. Yeah, a lot of farmers don't even, you never take a day off. You're constantly working. So I've drove by this farm many times. If I want to come over here and videotape it, figure I had time today. So this usually, like that one place, I'd say about 3 years ago, I videotaped over in Chaska. They finally, guy died. They cleaned all those cars out of there. It's way back in the 2-3 years ago. They finally, I drove by there, I was going to videotape to see what's going on, and they were cleaning it out. So the guy probably finally died. So probably out where the highway became. What this is. Over here. Looks like it's probably the wash station for the cows, probably. Something like that. Oh. Those. Where all the cows are at right here. Yep. Yep. Yeah, all the cows in here. Milking them, whatever they're doing. We'll go in it. Yep. The old days. Kinds of stuff in here. June of 1995, so that's the last time they were here. Becker's Mills lines. Last time they were here, 1995. Long time ago, ladies and gentlemen, long time ago. So, yeah, homestead. All kinds of stuff in here. Nice backyard. The garage. There. So, yeah. I don't think there's any way to get in the garage or the house. I think it's pretty much locked up. Oh, get in the house. Oh, wow. It is open a little bit. All kinds of stuff in here. You got some 45s, you got some cassettes, Perry Como. Clock stopped at 6:10. Got a room in here. No room in there. More CDs right here. But yeah, more than I thought I'd be able to get in here. So you can go upstairs, I guess. We'll go upstairs. One last look. There's one up here, bathroom. Well, if you're a cripple, but yeah. Well, there you guys go. Abandoned house and farmhouse. Now go in here and take a shit. So, anyways, guys, there we go. Anything you get in the house, we did. So, off we go. Hope you enjoyed it. I know I did. So, we'll talk to y'all later from the outskirts. Out in Elk River, someone's old farmhouse. Down goes the farmers.